As a department, we offer a range of courses that cover TV, radio, sound design, live sound. My name is Stefan Owens and I'm a lecturer in creative media technology here at Glyndwr University.
I chose to study at Wrexham Glyndwr because I come to an open day and I just really liked the facilities I saw. Hi, I am James Veal. I'm studying television production and technology at Glyndwr University.
We have obviously a TV studio here with the gallery and the post-production room upstairs, as well as computers with all of the relevant and latest software that we need. We also have a recording studio and a post-production room.
There's a great relationship with the lecturers. They give you the time, they give you one-to-one. My name is Lucy Davey and I'm studying TV production and technology.
The lecturers have given a lot of help onto finding job websites and job opportunities.
All of the lecturers in our department also work alongside the lecturing. So we have filmmakers, we have audio engineers, we have DJs.
This course, it's very varied.
Just the other day there was a crime scene reenactment day. There's also work experience opportunities such as Focus Wales, live sessions. There's also creative futures with talks from people in the industry, giving industry knowledge.
We hope to produce students who are great at working with other people, creative, but have technical skill that can apply across the range of media courses. So yes, you'll have your speciality, but you'll also have those broader skills that allow you to work in any area that you really choose.
My confidence has grown so much. For the first couple of months, I wouldn't participate in lectures, but now I'm the one that probably speaks up the most.
All I could say is come and see us. Come to one of our open days. The staff are always here. We'd be more than happy to show you around and talk you through the course and talk about your specific interests and how we can help you.